Rob, and welcome to Axel's Garage. All right, we're out here, honey-do list, but it's the end of the summer, and if you remember in a video, geez, I guess it's almost 2 months ago, we built these steps coming off the deck into the backyard, and now we just got to finish them up before the weather gets cold. And I got a zillion other projects going on, so I want to get this one done, make the wife happy so she's off my back, and we can get back to wrenching on the K5. So what we got to do is, we got to throw a couple of lag bolts in that I never did. After we built it, everything's being held together by the deck screws, so we got some legs. We're going to throw one in here, one in there into the post, and on this side as well. And then we can start building our framework for the lattice that's going to go over it, and then we'll trim it out and make it look nice. In the meantime, while I drill these and put these in, we're going to take this mulch out of here, which we put the mulch in there to kill all the weeds and stuff, and we only got a couple poking through. We're going to rake that mulch out, we're going to throw it in the dog pen, and we're going to put some fresh mulch in there because we're going to be closing all this up. So the big dummy is going to go to Grandpa's and get the wheelbarrow, so we can put that mulch into the wheelbarrow and stick it in the thing.
Why?
Also drilling holes. Because we got to get the rest of the weeds and the dirt that's in it out. Alright, got that little hole nice and flush. I don't know what they call that bit. I think it's supposed to be used on some kind of press. It really doesn't have a shaft. We'll go on a regular drill. Alright, and then we're going to take these legs and we're going to drive them right in like that. Alright, so while Robbie gets all that mulch out and throws it in the pen, we will build a 2x4 framework for the lattice to go on nice. Alright, so we banged out some 2x4 corners and over there, and now we could put a piece here and a piece of lattice here, and we'll be well on our way to getting this thing done. Recording?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you know, it's like 5 o'clock. The sun came out. It got hot as hell out here. It was soaking wet. But we got this section done. We got this back section done. I'm going to need to buy a little more wood, piece the cap off that thing on top, and then a little piece for my my triangle under the stairs. I don't have enough, but this is good for now. This was the brunt of it that I could tinker with during the week. For the most part, this project is done. I'll finish up those couple little things for the baby mama, and she'll be happy. And then I could get on to working on some car stuff. So please, if you like what we did, if you have a suggestion, if you feel like telling me I used the tool the wrong way, or I should have done it a different way, go ahead. Put it in the comments below. I got thick skin. Hit that thumbs up button. Feed the YouTube algorithm, which is what I wanted to say, because apparently they don't like to push anybody's videos unless they got a lot of this and a lot of stuff down there. So send some stuff down there. Send some this. I need something to drink. I'm so freaking hot. I don't know what happened. It was cool today. I'm done. That's it for this video of Axel's Garage. As always, thanks for watching.